Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, giveaways, all sorts of stuff for you guys. So today we are going to kind of be doing an unboxing and a giveaway for you. So you guys know I like Clinique products, and right now Macy's is having a bonus day with them. If you spend over $27, you do get a cute little bag with some goodies inside. So let's go over what they are doing for the Macy's bonus bag right now. So whenever I do get some like Clinique, because I do have a couple of Clinique products that are staples, and one of which is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Looks like this. This was $29.50. So it fell within the category. So that's when I like to get my items, is when Clinique is doing bonus items. Sometimes I'll even get them from places other than Macy's, just so I can get a bag of goodies. So I thought I'd come on, share with you what they're doing for the Macy's Clinique bugs in here. We are doing a giveaway in this video. So what you need to do, be subscribed to the channel, watch the video in its entirety. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're gonna need to know. So just a little teaser that we are doing that in today's video. So how I like to use this one is that I'll use this as my daytime moisturizer, and it sits really well for me underneath makeup. And then I go in with my sunscreen over the top. Those two work really well together. My sunscreen is from Coolio. Love that one. So that's why I use this, is in the morning. And I like a really thicker moisturizer at night, because I have kind of combination to dry skin, so I like that thicker moisturizer then. But I love this one, so that's why this one is a staple. I actually have this in my project pan. So speaking of project pans, I did get the first item that I'm pulling out from the bag here is the Clinique Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser Mousse. And most of the items that they throw in their bags are sample sizes, travel sizes. Every once in a while you will find full sizes in here. Kind of, let you know, is this something that I want to get or not. Now, remember I said speaking of project pans? So I do have the full size of this. This is in my project pan for this year. So this will be great to put like in a travel bag or anything like that. Nobody's traveling right now, but when we do, this will be really good. I do this as part of a two-step. So I'll, when I start to take off my makeup, I will start with this, obviously full size here, and then I will go in afterwards after I rinse that off, because it kind of just breaks up all the makeup. Even if you aren't wearing makeup, make sure to do a two-step, because it'll help break up those sunscreen oils for you. Always make sure that you're wearing sunscreen, even if you're inside your house, because those rays can come in from your windows. So like I said, part of my two-step, love this, put this in a travel bag. So the one skincare item that I think is hands down above every other skincare item that Clinique does is their 72-hour moisturizer. I love this thing, you guys. Like I said, I have more on the drier skin, so my skin soaks this up. I love using this after I do like a lactic acid or any sort of acid treatment on my face. When my face is feeling extra dry that day, love this. So this can range in price from anywhere from $15 if you get like the like 12 milliliter, all the way up to I think $54 for the 75 milliliter. I know that's a lot. I know it's a lot of money, but you guys, this is the one. If I had to get rid of all of my Clinique products, I would keep this one. This Moisture Surge is amazing. For those of you that have the extra dry skin, that your skin. I think that your skin will love it. My skin absolutely loves this thing. I've gone through multiple of these. When Macy's or Bloomingdale's or any of those other department stores, maybe Belk's, whatever, does another bonus day, I think that this will be the next product that I pick up kind of once I go through. I have a couple of these travel sizes, so once I go through these travel sizes, then I think that'll be my next one that I do. And like I said, I try to do it when I purchase those items, you know, make sure that they are doing a bonus item so you can get some extra goodies for you. This next one in here is kind of interesting. Remember how I said this was a 72-hour one? So this one, obviously, it is a sample. This is their Moisture Surge Eye 96-hour Hydro Filler Concentrate. So I had to do a little bit of research on this one because I had not tried this before. It's for very dry combination, oily, normal. It looks like anybody can really use this. It's an ultra-light, cushiony water gel that helps eye area skin replenish its own moisture for a full 96 hours of intense crease plumping hydration. Crease plumping, yes, please. What it does, it instantly refloods, tightens, and brightens the skin, hydrates delicate eye area for 96 hours of moisture using auto-replenishing lipid sphere technology. For 15 milliliters, it does retail for $34. It's not too bad for an eye cream. I've seen a lot more expensive ones. I've seen some cheaper ones before too. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have used this. Let me know what you guys think. So here is a full-size item. It is from, obviously, the Clinique. It is their Color Pop lip color and primer, kind of all built into one. It is in the shade Nude Pop. So it does retail for $20, and there is your shade here. Just a really pretty light nude. I don't really have anything that's this light in my collection because I don't really do nudes that much, but it is really, really pretty. So the last item in here is their High Impact Mascara. This one is in the shade Black. Obviously this is a mini. The full size does retail for $20. I've used, not this one, but I've used the mascara in the past a lot of the times. And it's a really, really pretty, it's an easy shade. It doesn't clump bump or anything like that extra on you. So I really like this one. So those are the items that came in, obviously, this cute little bag. It has a Clinique zipper here. It says Clinique on the side. And just a fun summer bag. So what did you guys think of the items in here? I think the Moisture Surge 2 products are the ones that I'm the most geeked out about. What are you guys' favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. So let's do the mascara for you guys as the giveaway in today's video. It's really easy. Make sure that you like the video, be subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to join us. We're such a fun group here. Easy, laid back, no drama. Make sure that your notifications are turned on to all, so that way you know when we do upload a new video. That way you know when we do upload a new giveaway for you guys, that you are the first to know that. If you are watching this on your mobile phone, make sure to go into your settings and to turn on that you can receive notifications. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure that you know the secret word, which is Clinique. Put that on the Google form as well. Make sure to only fill that out format once. That way it is fair to everyone. And then, so this giveaway will go through March 14th, and then on March 17th, I'll pick the winner using a kind of spin the wheel. You guys seem to be liking that. When I put in all the names, I put in if people have bonus entries. How do you get bonus entries? You can go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B, and then if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. This is open internationally as long as it's valid in your country. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, lost in transit, damaged, customs, anything extra for it to get to you. I package everything up pretty nicely when I send them out. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you guys because I love being a little ray of sunshine for you guys. Let me know how you guys are doing. Like I said, I love chatting back and forth with you all. And then you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Like I said, have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Let me know how your week's going. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway.